Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. Before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I know y'all might get tired of hearing me say this on every video, but I just want y'all to know that I do appreciate y'all, and I'm not real good at conversating in my videos, but I at least want you to know that I am appreciative of each and every one of you, and yeah, I just want to let y'all know that. So, alright, this comes from One Day Savings. They sent me another PR package to show to all of y'all. So, let's go ahead and get into this. That was, oh yeah, now I remember what's in here. Is that it? Yes, that is it. Alright, so we'll go ahead and start with this since you can see it. But I ordered this roller. I have a couple rollers, but I don't really care too much for them. So I ordered this one because this just looks so, I mean, this is metal and this is acrylic, okay? So this is like heavy duty. And I've got one of them little old green plastic ones, and then I've got the rubber one, which I hate the rubber one, because when you're rolling, the rubber mat starts scooting, and then you can feel it going in between the drills, and I hate it. So I got this one to try this one out, and y'all, let me see, I've got everything written down over here. This is $5.69 on their website, and y'all, this is hard plastic, or not hard plastic, but it's acrylic. So yeah, and this is metal. So yeah, I think this is going to be really nice. And I've got a canvas right now that I can use this on. Alright, so this is a roller brush, I think is what they call it on their website, for $5.69 on One Day Savings. Now, before I get into anything else, I just want to say thank you to One Day Savings. Thank you so much for allowing me, again, to show your products on my channel to all of my subscribers. They appreciate it, and I appreciate it. And I'm going to tell y'all, they have got free shipping over, if you spend over $50, it's free shipping, okay? Plus, you get 2 free gifts. Now, they've got not only diamond paintings, but they've also got cross stitch. They have cross stitch tools. They've got diamond painting tools. Let's see. They've got stuff that is under $4. I mean, they just got all kinds of stuff. And I'm going to leave a link to everything in my description box. All the links to everything you see here. The links to their website and their preferred canvases. So, the next thing that I got, I could not pass it up. I have a thing for pins, and I've seen this one, and I've wanted it, but I've just not gotten it. But this time, I decided to go ahead and get it. So, looky here, y'all. Isn't that pretty? It is a single placer on one end, and then they've got like I think that might be a 4, 5, or 6 placer. But isn't that pretty? It has got all colors in it. If y'all can see it, I don't know if it's confetti or like little flowers. I'm not sure, but I think it's so pretty. It just puts me in mind of I don't know, fireworks or something, or I don't know. It's just so pretty with all the colors, and I really, really, really like it. But it's an acrylic pen, and this was $5.58 on their website. That's not bad. So there's that. Now let's get into the canvas. Let me find my scissors. Alright. Let's see. Well, I got a piece of tape holding that. Alright. So, alright, let me move this. And this. Alright, so the canvas that I got, this is a stiff canvas, and it's a 30 by 40 round poured glue. And y'all already know. But let's see. You get a regular toolkit, just your standard toolkit of a green boat, a square of wax, and your pink single placer pen. That is all you need to do your diamond paintings. Alright, and we've got the drills. And it looks like they are numbered, and they have the canvas number on the bags. So if you store these in a separate place than your canvas, at least you'll know what drills go with what. So this is the canvas that I got. Y'all already know I love these little girls, and I would like to collect them. There's a slew of them though, and I promise not every unbagging is going to be these. Okay? So, and this is a little girl sitting on a book, and it says gorgeous. And she's got a little heart there, that's the bookmark. And it's got 22 colors in it. And it looks like the symbols are all going to be the alphabet, and it has got the DMC numbers on the schematic. There's the thumbnail, if you can see. And let's see. Very sticky. Very, very, very sticky. Alright. And like I said, I'm not going to open all these drills up because I have another one to show. But as you can see, we've got some red. We've got gray. We've got orange, yellows, blues. We've got some pinks. All kinds of different grays and blues. Some brown. So the canvas itself is very clear. And I don't know if you can see if it's picking it up in the camera, but it's kind of got like a sparkly effect in the canvas. And they have got dark color, or the dark letters on the light colors, and the light letters on the dark colors. But yeah, this is very clear. But this is, they don't call them gorgeous girls, they call them little girl. And this one, I think, was $5.46. $5.46 for this one. Alright, so let's set that one to the side. And we'll see what this one is. I'm always so afraid to use scissors or anything on these packages because I'm always afraid I'm going to cut the canvas. I usually just rip them open, but sometimes they're just really hard. Okay, so this one is another round poured glue, 30 by 40, and it also comes with just your standard toolkit. And this one Huh. It has the size of the canvas. Now, I've never seen that on the bags before. That's cool. But it says a 30 by 40. The bags are numbered. Plus, they also have the DMC numbers on the bag. And it has the canvas number on the bag. It's a lot of info on these bags, but that's good. I like that. So, we have a lot of blues, purples, some browns, different shades of blues. We've got several purples. We've got grays. We've got, yeah, just some grays and blues and purples and browns. Nothing. Yeah, I think that's going to be the majority of these colors. So, what did it get? As if you didn't know. But like I said, not every one of these unbaggings are going to be these, I promise. But this is another gorgeous girl. Now, this one was called Cartoon Doll, and it was $5.92. Now, why one's more than the other, or why they're named different, I don't know. But I'm just telling you, that's what it was. Alright, so this one has 20 colors. And they do have the DMC on the schematic. It is all letters. But they have the schematic on the top left, bottom right. Very sticky. And look at that hair, y'all. It's just a rainbow of colors. And her little dress with the stars on it. Her boots. She looks like a little rock star. Very pretty. Very pretty. And the canvas, the drill field, is very clear. I don't know if my camera is focusing. But yeah, very clear. So, just to recap, this one is called Cartoon Doll. It's a 30 by 40 round poured glue, and it was $5.92 on One Day Savings. Okay? This one is a 30 by 40 round full drill poured glue, and it is called Little Girl, and it was $5.46. Alright, then we have the point drill pen. This was $5.58. And the roller, which is metal, this is heavy duty. This is metal, and this is acrylic. And this was $5.69. Y'all, you can't even get the rubber one that cheap. Okay? So, yeah, all of this is on One Day Savings. And I will definitely leave a link to everything you see and to their website. And everything, all the info you need for this company will be in my description box. So, I hope everybody has a great day. I hope everything is going well with everyone. And thank you again to One Day Savings for letting me show y'all this. And I hope everybody has a great rest of your day. Till my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.